What's going on, guys? This is Craig Tech 360, and today I'm going to show you how to get that fogginess out of your shower doors. Alright guys, first and foremost, thank you for clicking on that video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So I know most of you guys probably have this issue, and I want to show you how to get it out. So you got these shower doors that are glass, and over time, just the water, the hard water, and just soaps and all stuff, they just get cloudy. Alright, so I'll show you what I'm talking about, because you kind of can't tell. But if you go from here, right, and then you go like here, it's kind of foggy, can't really see well, blah, 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 kind of blurry. And you're back here, then you're back foggy again. So that's what we're going to go ahead and get out today, and I'm going to show you a simple, easy spray mixture that you can do at home. It just requires a spray bottle, some rubbing alcohol, water, and some Dawn soap. And we're going to go ahead and show you how to mix that up, and we're going to get to it. So this is what I'm using right here, just some regular alcohol you can buy at the store. So we're gonna, and this all depends on how much you make on the size of your glass of what you're gonna clean. If you're gonna do a lot, go ahead and mix up quite a bit. But for this one, I'm just gonna do about a cup or so rubbing alcohol. Then, once you've got your alcohol in, now we're gonna go ahead and put your water in. Do about a cup or two of water as well. And it's not a science, there's not a perfect mixture for this. Now, this is all I have, the spray one. I don't have the actual like pour in kind, the other one, so I'm gonna put quite a few sprays in here. Okay, put the lid on it like so, and shake it up. Now, there's a couple ways you can go about it. Now, they got those the little electric scrubbers you see like all over the internet, TikTok stuff, like a little handle, with a little wheel on the end that scrubs. I see some people use those and stuff like this, but me personally, I like to just do it by hand. You can use like this little dish cleaner or like a green Brillo pad. I like stuff like this because when you're cleaning, you can feel the grime on the windows as you're going, because it kind of drags, so you'll know if you got it clean or not. So we're going to go ahead and jump in, and we're going to go ahead and start cleaning this thing. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start on this side. I hope you can kind of see what I'm talking about. I'm sure you can see it compared to this. So we're going to just do this real quick, okay? Kind of just spray it. I would probably just spray the whole thing down, let it good and wet, let it soak in a little bit. Maybe that'll help break this stuff up. It'll break it down a little bit and soften it up, make it a little easier on you. And just take your little pad, and you already see it getting kind of funky. So I can feel when the glass is clean. Like right now, it's clean right here because I don't feel a drag on here. But you'll feel it when you start doing it. And you just go in there, and you may have to do it a couple times. You'll probably scrub it once, and you'll think you got it perfect. And then you'll look at it, and then it'll be, there'll be spots in there. And then you'll have to just go back and do it again. I mean, it ain't no big deal. And there's no particular pattern or anything like that you have to scrub this in. Just whatever works for you. Some people's probably got bigger showers, they got more room to get in there and spread out and really get a lot of elbow grease in on it. And some are like this, a little bit smaller showers. So you kind of just make do. You hear that different, that's when the scrubbing pad's hitting the ground. So I know there's still something there. I think I got most of it. I still feel a few little spots here and there, but I think I've got the majority of it. All right, so now that's pretty much all scrubbed down. Now we're just going to go ahead and rinse it down. Now you can use a cup of water, a spray bottle, or like what we have a sprayer in here, so I'm going to utilize that. And we will get this rinsed down real quick. I'm going to rinse off. All right, so now that's all rinsed off and everything, this is our original glass we started with. And as you remember, the other one to your right was real foggy. So as you see, it's mostly clear here, and now it's mostly clear here again. So there are a few little spots here and there on the glass that I can go back and do again. If you want to go back, you don't have to. But if obviously the more you clean it, the cleaner it'll be. But that is it. Like I said, simple. All it is just how much elbow grease you want to put in it. Like I said, it's just a little bit of water, rubbing alcohol, and some Dawn dish soap and a little scrubber, and just go to town with it. Like I said, you may have to do it once or twice, because you'll probably scrub it once, rinse it down, and realize you miss some spots, and you just go back, No big deal, but that is how you do it, guys. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. Don't argue, don't fight. Until next time.
Tech 360 Dallas, your #1 source for how-tos, reviews, and siren videos.